We are in the early stages of a project we call the SBE, which stands for Should Be Easy. And we're trying to foil a moth without a wand, a mechanical wand, and we're trying to use an ultrasonic sensor to regulate ride height.
All right, so we have an ultrasonic sensor on the bowsprit that reads the surface of the water, and we get a height from that, and that controls a servo that controls a flap on the bottom of the foil. And hopefully we can get it into a range where it can fly controllably. That may or may not be the case today.
Inside this box we've got a control box, so we'll actuate the wand or the foil, the main foil, with a servo as opposed to the typical mechanical linkage.
So today the goals are simple. We're just trying to record data. So we have the ultrasonic sensor on the boat, we have the IMU on the boat, and those will just be backlogging data. So the wand will be normal mechanical feedback system, but we'll be recording all the action. And the second thing we'll be doing is having someone off the boat control ride height with a servo. And the advantage of that is to try and gain intuition on how aggressive the control loop needs to be.
Full lift, reducing. Could you rotate there a little? Yep. We're going negative. All right, running a little higher. Keep going straight.
Wands can only take us so far in terms of anticipating the wave state and swells, so hopefully we can dial that in with software and go into the future.